Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up your XIAOMI F Pro TV. First of all, select the language of your preference. I'm gonna go with English. Press OK on your remote control. After that, select your location to get the proper preferences for yourself. Then click OK. Then you're gonna have to click Continue. Enable network connection. And now let's set up the TV with the phone. To do so, we're gonna have to scan the QR code we see on the screen with the phone's camera. So just open the camera app on our phone and scan the QR code you see right here. Then tap on Amazon TV app link. Alternatively, you can use your remote by selecting the Use Remote Instead option, but it will require typing with your remote, which may take longer as it says on the screen. So I think that the remote control is a much better option for this. And this QR code will lead you to the Amazon Fire TV download page, either on your apps either in App Store if you're using iPhone, or in Google Play Store if you're using Android. Just get this application and install it on your phone. Okay, so once the app is downloaded, allow it to find devices on local networks and generally give it all the allowances that it needs. And then in the bottom left corner of your phone, I don't think you can see it clearly right now, so I'm gonna just fix the focus real quick. Okay, so tap the plus icon next to set up new Fire TV. Allow it using the Bluetooth devices around you, and then click sign in, and you're gonna have to sign in to your Amazon account. And if you don't have an Amazon account, then you can create an account by selecting create account. Then you have to provide your first and last name, your email address, password, etc. And then when you're ready, just provide your email address into this field. Click continue, and if Amazon finds your account, it will automatically tell you to enter the password. Let me do this real quick. And then your application will start searching for TV, connecting to Wi-Fi, and doing everything else. Okay. And as you can see, right now the network connection is successful, so your TV automatically connected to the same network that your iPhone or your smartphone is connected to. And now it will check for updates, add your account, and on your smartphone you will see this notification. Tap OK, connect. Okay, and now let's tap continue to proceed the process of setup. Now we can either decline or accept the cookies, Amazon cookies, which will somewhat personalize your experience with this TV. If you don't need this, or if you don't want this, select decline. Otherwise, click accept. And you can also change it in settings anytime you need to. Then tap continue, and then agree to privacy policy to continue. And wait for a moment. At some point your TV might start downloading the latest update. You can try free Prime if it's your brand new TV by selecting try Prime free, and then if you don't have a credit card or debit card connected to your Amazon account, you're going to have to provide the data of your credit card on the following page, and then you'll get 30 days free period in Amazon Prime. Yeah, that's a cool feature. I think you should definitely try it, but I'm gonna select not now. And generally speaking, you can of course just set Amazon Prime anytime you wish. And after that, let's select some applications that we need on the start. If you don't need no applications on the start, select no thanks, otherwise tap get started, and then you're gonna get 4 different categories. So the streaming services, select some streaming services that you need. On the following page, select some music and TV services like Disney, Spotify, Amazon Music. Just select anything you want. Then we have some games, so if you want to download any game on your TV, you can also do this here. And then the sports, which is the last category. And once you are in the last category, just select continue to proceed. And here you will get the list of apps. You will see the list of apps that you selected. If you're content with your choice, just click finish. Otherwise, press return button on your remote control and go back. Now you can subscribe to a newsletter on your email, but it's totally up to you. If you want to get newsletter on your email, select subscribe. Otherwise, select skip. Click OK. Then we can scan for TV channels right now. So if you want to set it up now, just click yes. Otherwise, click no, and you can do this later anytime. Then let's enable parental controls and provide our PIN code, parental controls PIN code. So you can use your D-pad to provide your PIN code. As you can see, the middle button is 0, then the up 1, right 2, down 3, and the left one is 4. And if you need access to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then press the menu button, which is located to the right from your home button on your remote control. So just enter your PIN code and the parental controls will be enabled. Then select some broadcast ratings that you want to see on your TV. So basically, if you want to see the content that is appropriate only for people above 18 years of age, then you just have to go to DBV 18 and then click OK, and this will enable this kind of content on your TV. And if you want to lock some content, for example, if you want to see content only appropriate for ages up to 13 years old, then lock all the DBV that go after 13. So I hope you get what it does. So just select the rating that you need, and after that press this forward button to continue, as it says right here. Click OK. And then I think we still have one thing to do. No, just select your account, and at this point the setup should be finished. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.